Today, I'm showcasing something that brings together craftsmanship, culture, and community impact. This piece you're seeing isn't just a bottle holder, it's a collaboration between Stike Arts, the incredible women artisans of Kasighau, and Taita Taveta Wildlife Conservancy Association. The bottle holder itself is handcrafted by the Kasighau Women's Group in Taita Taveta County using traditional sisal work skills that have been passed down for generations. To complement their work, we beaded the TTWCA logo directly onto leather using loom beadwork techniques we refined over the years. This collaboration is more than a product. It's a statement. It shows that when we combine local skills, authentic artistry, and modern design, we can produce items that match global standards while still staying true to our roots. No shortcuts, no watered down culture, just honest, high quality craftsmanship. And this is just one sample. If your organization is looking for meaningful corporate gifts this festive season, you can customize pieces with your company logo, your colors, your story, and deliver products that stand out from the usual generic gifts on the market. Whether it's a bottle holder, leather accessories, lanyards, we are ready to create items that honor African beadwork, sisal, and leather artistry while giving your staff, partners, or clients something truly memorable. Reach out and let's build something that's this beautiful, something that supports local artisans, preserves culture, and celebrates the spirit of Kenya and Africa as a whole. Looking forward to hearing from you. You can reach out. Our contact information is down on the description below, and you can also check out a variety of other beautiful gifts and beaded items that we have done on our previous videos. Just peruse through our channel, and you can also find us on other social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram on the same handle, which is Stike Arts.